Hello, Mark Sturdy here with a snippet from our research this week at 7 Days Ahead. And this week, if we look at the summary chart, you'll see that we have strong views on the currencies. Dollar sterling, dollar yen, and sterling euro. We also remain bullish on the S&P 500, the FTSE 100, and the Nikkei 225. Of these, I am going to look at the dollar yen and the Nikkei 225, which we haven't looked at recently. I want to point out that in the dollar yen, the market is surging. Weaker yen, stronger dollar. This is the situation in the yen, and this will have spillover effects into the Nikkei. Here's the triangle that has completed some while ago, driving the market upward. We think as far as 170. So the yen is weakening, is set to weaken a long way against the dollar, and the currency has just broken up through 160, which in the way of bull trends will act now as good support to ratchet it still higher, that's to say weaker, and so we think the yen is set to go a lot weaker. Here's the 160, the break up through that, the pullback we think will find support. See how former highs are acting as good support on any pullback. The market goes up, pulls back, and will ratchet higher, we think. So the yen is weakening fast and is set to go a lot further, and connected with that is what we think is big news, which is the Nikkei, which has been going sideways and has paused for some months at the very important 39,600 level back in the 1980s, 40 years ago or so, nearly 50 years ago. We think that is now going to break through. It looks like the Nikkei 225 is going to break up through 39,600. Having paused for quite a while, it is right up there. It hasn't quite broken yet. 49.10 is the level it has to break in the weekly chart. In the weekly September future, it's 48.80 for 48.70 rather. We're right there. People should watch very carefully for a break up through 48.70. And we think the market, having dithered for a long time, months, 3 months, or 4, maybe 4 months, it looks as if it's breaking up, on the cusp of breaking up. Very important breakout. Were this to move, probably helped by the currency, it's going to go a lot further. Thanks very much.